What's up, guys? And today we will be playing Lifeboat City. And as Lifeboat City, right now I am a criminal. So, also this does not mean in real life you should be a criminal. Just so you know. Just putting a warning. I'm not trying to tell anyone to become a criminal. So you should definitely subscribe too. That would be great. And I would actually really like it. Alright, well, let's just get to today's video. Alright, so right now I have a bounty on me, 10 boat bucks. Okay. Alright. He doesn't even see me. Wow. He noticed. I think he noticed. Oh, yeah. What you gonna do now? What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, oh. Don't get up, go. Didn't want anyone to even try to catch me. Again, I don't want anyone to catch me. Remember, also, this game, just so you know, that the game I'm playing is on Lifeboat. So if you wanna, I might be on Lifeboat City. You never know. So, come and play Lifeboat. It'd be really fun. Oh. Just let me up. Let me up. Okay. Here we go. I don't want to accidentally fall though, that's the thing. Because if I fall, I don't think I'm going to make that. Like, get out of that alive if there's a police officer down there. I saw that big guy just looking at me like he was going to do something. I don't know what he's going to do. So, oh, there's a police officer. Why are the police Loser. Oh, uh-oh. Let's see. Which is the smarter police whenever they see me? Okay, I don't even think that guy even notices me. Is that person trying to figure out how to get to me? But anyway, guys, I will be playing some Lifeboat City after this video. So, if you want to come join me, well, probably not join me. I probably won't send anyone invite. Loser. They don't even. Outbraids, buddy. What are they about to do? I think I've outsmarted the police. For once, I can outsmart police. Let's see, do they know how to get to me? Alright. If they do, I really don't think they know how to get to me. Let's go. Oh, crap. I don't want to. Did you just fell? I think he just fell. Let's just flex on him. Alright, let's actually just jump down. This was just boring. You know, I don't know whenever they're gonna figure out that I actually jumped. No, he got me. Dang it. Oh, what the heck? They were both just fighting it out. I really don't think they both liked each other. You know? I really don't think so. I really don't think they even liked each other. That was so funny how they were just fighting that whole time. And then I tried to come over and then it's like, boop. Nope. Yeah, I really tried to hit me and then he missed. Imagine doing that. What the heck is happening? Are they just fighting it out? Okay, I gotta go in there. I'm gonna go see what... Whoa, what? What? That's so cool. Job coming soon? What the heck? Small person. Get the cops called on you! Thank you! Oh. Oh, wait, what? You're a small person. Oh my god, you are small. What the heck? I can't hit you. I'm trying my best to PvP with them. Can you just... Yeah, I'm about to leave, guys. Alright, guys. Well, that was the end of today's video. Bye-bye!